أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
له دعوة الحق والذين يدعون من دونه لا يستجيبون لهم بشيء إلا كباسط كفيه إلى الماء ليبلغ فاه وما هو ببالغه وما دعاء الكافرين إلا في ضلال.
To him belongs the call to truth. Those they call upon besides him do not respond to them with anything, except as someone who stretches his hands towards water, so that it may reach his mouth, but it does not reach it. The prayers of the unbelievers are only in vain.
ولله يسجد من في السماوات والأرض طوعا وكرها وظلالهم بالغدو والآصال.
To Allah prostrates everyone in the heavens and the earth, willingly or unwillingly, as do their shadows, in the morning and in the evening.